Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my English class discussion. And I will be your teacher for today and I am your teacher Hannah. So today I prepared here a short chant for you to follow me. So let's start. Okay, I just want you to follow me or repeat after me after I read or sing this part. Okay, let's start. Okay, so apple. Elephant. Igloo. Orange. Umbrella. Okay, very good. So, after this activity, I want you to analyze or think of what did you notice in our activity? Okay, very good. You noticed that they have a different sounds or pronunciation in the vowels. So our topic for today is all about basic vowel sounds about A, the letter E, the I, O, and U. So first of all, let's introduce of what is a vowel sound. So vowel sound is the sound that made by the letters A, E, I, O, and U. And we say these vowel sounds to say or pronounce the English words correctly. And also, the vowel sounds is to make our speaking clear and understandable. So, let's move forward in the vowel A. The vowel A, it has a sound of an. The sound of an A is ah, ah. Just open your mouth and say ah. Okay. As you can see, the first word is ant. Okay, class, repeat after me. Ant, ant, ah, ant. Okay, very good. So how about the second word? Okay, very good. This is an apple. Ah, ah, apple. Okay, just open your mouth wide and say apple, apple. Okay, very good. So the last one, alligator, alligator. Okay, alligator. Okay, very good. So let's move forward in the vowel E. The vowel E has two common sounds, which is the short E sounds like eh. While the long E sounds like E. The short one is eh and the long is E. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you. So for the short E or like the sounds eh, as an example for that is egg, elephant, and the elbow. As you can see or as you can notice or notice, the pronunciation in this word is just having a relax in your mouth, unlike for the long E. As you can see, it gives an emphasis in the word E. As you can see in my mouth, E, compared to the short E. Okay, for this long E, we have an example of eagle, eagle. Okay, okay, very good class. Then the second one is eat, eat. Okay, very good. The third one, E, B, B, B. Okay, very good. So let's move forward in the vowel I. Vowel I has also two common sounds, just like for the vowel E. So the short I is sounds like E, E. For the long sound is I. Okay, as you can see in the picture, we have an example for short I, which is the ink. And for the long one is the ice cream. Okay. Okay, so the example for here is the sounds E is igloo, igloo. Okay. Okay, very good. So, second one is insect, insect. Okay, and the last one is injection, injection. As you can see in my mouth, I said injection, injection. Okay, did you follow me? Okay, thank you. So now let's move forward in the example of the long one. The I sounds like I. Okay, we have an example here, ice. Then the second one is time. And the third one is night. So let's move on in letter I and let's talk about the vowel O. The vowel O has also two common sounds, which is the sounds O and the O. Okay, we have the dog and the owl. So we have an example here for the short O or sounds like O. It is directly said, it is quick and soft, and you don't open your mouth too much, unlike for the long O. Because it long O, or we tell it or we said it like O, O. The sound is long and strong, you open your mouth more and round your lips. For here, the example is dog, fox, and socks. So let's go here in the long O, it sounds like O. Cone, cone. The owl, owl. And the last one is nose, nose. So for the long O, it sounds like O. Unlike in the short O, it sounds directly and quick, like dog, like socks. Unlike here, it shaped your mouth and said cone, cone. Forward in our last vowel, which is the vowel U. The sound of an U is maybe an U or U. For example, cube, soup, and ruler. Short U sounds like U, as in, for example, as in cup, sun, or bust. For the long U, it sounds like U, as in flute, blue, cube, and moon. In long U, the lips will be rounded, the tongue high, and at the back. Now repeat with me. U as in cup and U as in flute. Okay. Okay, very good. I just want you to put in your mind that you should practice or keep on practicing the vowel sound because this is the basic one. Just remember how to pronounce it. So, this is the end of our discussion. Thank you, students, and congratulations, class. You have learned all the vowel sounds, the A, the E, I, O, and U. Remember to practice every day. Watch your mouth when you say each sound. It will help you speak English clearly. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.